Hi guys, welcome back to another video and thank you so much for watching. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, I know, but we are back with another one. So in today's video, I am going to do a set of press-on nails, and the ones that I use are from P.O Box, and I do love them. They're like a coffin shape, and as you can see, this was my old set, and of course I took them off, so I do still have a little bit of acrylic on my nails, but it's okay. I'll eventually take them all off. So before I did start on these press-on nails, I did follow them down just a little bit, and then I did size them up to my nails to make sure that they fit sidewall to sidewall. I didn't want them to be too big or too small, and they fit just perfectly. I didn't have to follow them down on the sides or anything like that. And so we are gonna move on. As you can see here, I am just applying my base coat. Once I apply my base coat, I'm gonna pop them in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And just a little FYI, if I do sound a little bit weird or something, it's because I do have a cold and a sore itchy throat, so I do apologize. But the inspiration was from Johnny's nails. As you can see the nails here, he did them in black and white, which I absolutely love because black is one of my favorite colors. But I wanted to try this blue from Madame Glam that I just recently got. Well, actually I got it maybe like 2 weeks ago or so, but I just now opened it. And I absolutely love the color because also blue is another one of my favorite colors. So I wanted to try it out. So I did try that one. And then I think it also falls in between like fall colors as well, because it's not like a bright blue, it's a darker blue. But anyway, so we're gonna move on. I'm gonna start off with applying my base color, which is this pink color that I use from Model 1s. It's a very pretty color, very natural. And so I'm gonna apply my first coat. I do apply 2 coats, and I do cure in between for 60 seconds because it is on the sheer side, as you can see, and also being that my press-on nails are clear, it didn't help out. So it made it look a little bit more sheer. So I did apply 2 coats of it, and like I said, I did cure for 60 seconds in between. And in case you're curious, the display stands that I got, they are from Amazon, as well as the press-on nails and the little sticky white stuff that you see there. I did also get those from Amazon, the putty. And like I always do, I'm gonna leave all that in my description box just in case you guys are interested in purchasing them. And so here I'm almost done applying that first coat. When we jump into that next clip, they are gonna look a little bit more opaque because I already had applied that second coat. I just didn't show it. Okay, so here the nails are all done. As you can see, it's a very pretty color, and again, it was from Model 1s. I didn't see a name on it, but it was 1144, I believe. And now here I'm just grabbing my palette that I got from one of my nail boxy boxes. I think it was I'm not even gonna try to guess the month because I don't know, but if I can remember, I'll leave it in the description box. And it's very convenient. I like it because it has all these little slots where you can apply your gel polish. And so this is the color that I'm going to be using. It's from Madame Glam, and it's NSFW. If that stands for anything, I don't know, but if you know, you can definitely tell me in the comments down below. But it's a very pretty blue. I really did love it. And then the liner brush that I'm going to use is called Hella Cute, and it's from Nails by Deb. If you don't follow her, you guys definitely should. She is awesome. She does a lot of very awesome artwork, like cartoon characters, everything, and she's so 90s. She's like the epitome of 90s child. She loves everything's 90s, and it's so cool. But that's where I purchased the brush from. It's from her. I think she just started selling it. So if you guys are interested, definitely go check her out on Instagram. So I'm just gonna start off my line work here. I did have a lot of fun doing these nails, and it kind of helped with the line work because I haven't really practiced a lot of line work at all. But this brush definitely did help with that. So I did have a lot of fun doing these nails. They were definitely a challenge, I would say, only because I did they were very time consuming. I did have to be very patient and make sure that I was doing the lines really straight and everything. They look easy, but yeah, they were definitely a little bit of time consuming. But again, I had fun doing them, and maybe next time I can do them on a acrylic set, because this time I did on press-ons. But next time I would like to do an acrylic set with the same design, only because I knew the reason that I did them on press-ons is because I knew that I wasn't going to be able to do the line work with my non-dominant hand on my dominant hand. It was going to look a hot mess. So if I can find a friend that can do my right hand, I would totally love to do an acrylic set with them. I just feel like with the press-ons, I haven't worn a lot of press-ons in my life, but when I do, I just feel like I won't be able to like lift heavy stuff or anything like that, because I feel like they're gonna snap off. But yeah, that's the only reason. But again, hopefully I can find a friend that can do my right hand with the line work, or maybe I should just practice and hope for the best, right? But yeah, keep watching, and then I'll pop in if I need to. But if you guys do have any questions, you guys could definitely leave any question in the comments down below. So I'm almost done with my line work on the first set of press-on nails for one of my hands. And soon you're going to see what that set looks like, which is right here. And I absolutely love them like this already without the white sections. But we are going to move on to the white section, obviously. And I'm just going to show you just this first set. I'm not going to do the second set because it's pretty much the same thing. So this is what the full set looks like. I absolutely love them. I love the blue. I love how they look like this already. But just to let you guys know, that top set, that middle finger, I did end up changing the design because I didn't like how it looks like that right now. But you'll be able to see in the end results. Now we're just going to move on to the white section of the nail. And the white that I'm going to use is from Madame Glam. It's the perfect white. You guys know that I love the Madame Glam gel polishes. They have a thick consistency and they're very pigmented. And for this set, I did use that Hella Cute brush to do the full set. Now, when it came to applying the white gel polish, the only thing is that I did have to make sure that once I got to applying the white gel polish against that blue, to make sure that my lines were really straight and that I didn't have so much of that polish onto that blue. Just make sure that it's just barely touching it. Now with this gel polish, I did only apply one coat. I didn't think that I need to go with the second coat. And I don't know if I told you guys, but I did go over the blue again, so I did apply 2 coats, of course curing for 60 seconds in between. Now so yeah, just keep watching, and then when I come back, we're gonna check the results out. All right, so I am done with the white sections of the design, and don't they look so pretty? I absolutely love them. This is what the full set looks like. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the top coat. The top coat that I used is from Sky. And I actually do love this top coat. This one actually also came in one of my nail boxies for me to try out. That's the good thing about nail boxy. You get to try different products from different companies and see if you like them. So I did like this one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it to all the nails, and then I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds. So here we are at the finish line, and this is what they look like glossy. And I did like them glossy, but I fell in love with them in a matte, as you can see. And I can just add this to my favorite set of nails that I've done in a while. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys prefer matte or glossy. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.